What if I told you I just built a complete client acquisition system for an AI consulting company that positions themselves to land deals worth $25,000 or more by leading with a 74% cost reduction case study? And I'm about to show you the exact VSL landing page, strategic partnership proposal, and conversion framework we created. Hi, I'm Gabe from Stacking Clients, and this is the actual work we just delivered for Youtiva, a complete YouTube authority system designed to attract service business owners who are bleeding cash on manual operations while their competitors are automating everything. And here's what we solve for Youtiva. They're targeting service-based businesses drowning in operational costs, founders bleeding $15,000 to $30,000 monthly on manual processes that AI could easily automate. But the AI consulting space is flooded with generic promises and zero measurable results. Most AI consultants are charging $50,000 upfront, delivering cookie-cutter solutions and leaving clients with no ROI tracking. We built Youtiva, a positioning system that flips this entire broken model. This is the same build before buy approach we use at Stacking Clients. Prove value first, then discuss partnerships. Let me show you exactly how we position Youtiva's offer. Look at this headline we crafted. How service businesses are getting 74% cost reductions through an AI in 90 days guaranteed. We're not selling generic AI consulting. We anchored everything around Youtiva's biggest client win. That pharmaceutical company result becomes the credibility foundation for every other piece. Notice how we structured the social proof stack. 74% cost reduction, which is a specific outcome proof, 300 plus businesses helped, which demonstrates the scale that we're talking, $35,000 work hours saved, which is a tangible value metric. But here's the psychological trigger most agencies miss. We positioned this around identity, not just results. Look at this copy section. You started your business to create something meaningful, not be a glorified task manager juggling repetitive work. That line hits every service business's owner's core frustration. They became entrepreneurs to build a legacy, not to manage spreadsheets. That's emotional positioning that cuts through logical objections. We built Youtiva's competitive positioning on 3 unassailable pillars: custom-built systems versus generic AI tools, a proven 3-phase roadmap, which mentions process certainty versus chaos, a 90-day guarantee, complete risk reversal. That guarantee positioning, that's Youtiva's competitive moat. When you guarantee results or a full refund, you're not selling anymore. You're offering a risk-free transformation. Now let me show you the strategic partnership proposal we built for Youtiva's high-ticket prospects. Look at this psychological reframe. Instead of AI consulting services, we positioned this as a strategic partnership proposal for igniting your legacy. Youtiva isn't a vendor, they're legacy partners. That single reframe changes how prospects evaluate the entire relationship and investment. Check out how we structured the pain point progression. High operational costs, which leads to financial bleeding, trapped in day-to-day tasks, which leads to identity crisis, overpromising and underdelivering, which destroys trust. Every pain point connects directly to a specific phase in Youtiva's delivery process. We're not just agitating problems, we're demonstrating systematic solutions. Here's the strategic genius we built in. Youtiva never discusses pricing until value is established. Instead, they present an expected ROI framework that positions their investment as profit center generating returns, not a cost center burning cash. The prospects are literally paying Youtiva to make them money. That's positioning that eliminates price objections before they form. And here's the systematic approach we built for Youtiva that separates them from every other AI agency consultancy. Phase 1, assess. A comprehensive audit to identify highest ROI AI opportunities before selling solutions. Phase 2, build. Custom systems designed around existing workflows, not forcing clients to adapt to generic tools. Phase 3, scale. Full team implementation with team training and optimization for sustainable growth. The secret sauce we embedded, that 90-day guarantee, removes all decision friction. When Youtiva can demonstrate measurable results or refund everything, they're not selling anymore. They're offering a risk-free business transformation. This is the same strategic framework we use as Stacking Clients. We build the complete system first, demonstrate the quality, and then we discuss partnership terms. If you're running a B2B service business or consultancy and want this level of strategic positioning and client acquisition infrastructure, here's exactly what to do next. This is the same build before buy methodology we use with Youtiva. We invested 15 to 20 hours building their complete YouTube authority system, the professional landing pages, the high converting proposals, and the strategic framework before any financial commitment. We show them exactly what we built, walk through the strategy, and then let them decide if we're the right strategic partner. That pharmaceutical company's 74% cost reduction, that started with the exact positioning and proposal framework we just showed you. If you want this level of strategic thinking applied to your client acquisition and service delivery, we have 3 spots available this month for strategic partnerships. Apply at stackingclients.com. But understand, we only work with established B2B businesses already investing significantly in growth and ready to dominate their markets, not just participate. The application process reviews your current business model to determine if there's alignment between your vision and our capabilities. This is how real strategic partners operate. Not generic proposals, no cookie cutter solutions, just custom built systems that generate measurable results. I'm Gabe from Stacking Clients. Apply in the link below. Let's see if we're meant to build something extraordinary together.